The prisoner's dilemma is one of the most used examples in game theory. Framed by Mary Flood and Melvin Drescher, this dilemma explored the options of two criminals. Let's call them Brian and Stu. They got arrested and put in different rooms by the police. They are later interrogated for their crimes. Here's where the game begins. They have four outcomes. If neither of them confesses to the crime, they will only spend 1 month in jail. If Brian confesses to the crime and Stewie doesn't, Brian will spend no time in jail, but Stewie will be there for 10 months. The inverted outcome happens if Stewie confesses, but Brian doesn't. 10 months for Brian and 0 for Stewie. If they both confess, each will be in prison for 6 months. Now, the best outcome for both parties at the same time is not confessing at all. But here's where the dilemma occurs. We study their outcomes separately. A strategy where choosing the best individual outcome will not yield 1 month each. For example, given Brian's decision, let's see Stewie's best strategy. If Brian chooses to confess, the best option for Stewie is to also confess. If Brian doesn't confess, the best option for Stewie is to confess. By symmetry, Brian will opt for the same strategy. Best individual choice is to confess no matter what the other one chooses. These incentives will probably make Brian and Stewie be in jail for 6 months rather than 1 month. That's the personal dilemma. If you were in that situation with your friend, what would you do? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.